Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? This is the live price prediction of Vechain coin to what's going on in the current time, what's the update of Vechain, and can upcoming time there is a chance they will moving upward or not. Let's see without any time waste. But before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel and yeah, also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's start the video. My brother, from last 7 days, Vechain is unbelievable, massive, my friend, very fastly falls down. This is absolutely the big reason. There are two big reasons, my friends, especially to Vechain falls down, and the reasons was that, my friends, to all crypto market is falls down, especially the last 7 days, my friends. So the one reason is that, and the second reason is that, my friends, to after a very big jump, also every cryptocurrency falls down. You can see, my friend, like that. If you can see from last 24-hour chart is going to be very good. You can see here from last 7 days, you can see they falls down, but definitely after a very bad falls, they also starting moving upward, and it's mean, my friends, make sure to after a jump they falls down, and after fails they take a jump. So don't see this short fails. And yes, absolutely, the third reason is that, my friends, to every cryptocurrencies when fails down, so especially the main reason is that, my friends, to short time investor when they starting selling, then definitely they fails down. So if you are a short time holder, please don't sell it in those days, because I know, my friend, in upcoming times they will moving upward very fastly. So you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friend, the price will be increased very fastly. Let's see the last 1 hour update to what's going on in the current time. My brother, you can see here after a short jump they falls down again. So that's mean to in the current time short term investor, they take a good profit and they starting selling. So definitely, my friends, I just advise you, remember this is another financial video, I just advise you to sell to hold, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friends, they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel and share your opinion in a comment box. So this is selling time, holding time, or buying time.